All right, John and I, we are headed to Malaysia for KL Tower. We're gonna do some flips.
Jump off some big buildings.
Yeah, it's gonna get crazy.
Getting out of control.
Out of this world. Wowzers. Stretch the legs before all these flips. That's what we're jumping off of. Are you ready?
So it's day 2 out here in KL.
We just got warmed up yesterday. Today's gonna get a little reckless. Started off with a lot of flips, a lot of spins with those flips. What we learned yesterday is once you start getting tired, you start making mistakes. Whoopsie! So we're gonna get the technical stuff out of the way.
Right off the rip.
Right off the rip.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps, this silly game we play. Now look at this, madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, hold the phone. The lonely stoner, Mr. Solo Dolo. He's on the move, can't seem to shake the shade. Within his dreams, he sees the life he made. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep. The girl he wants don't seem to want him to. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. clothes up and creates that new. He seems alive though he is feeling blue. The sun is shining, man, he's super cool. The lonely nights, they fade away, he slips into his white Nikes. He smokes a clip and then he's on the way to free his mind and searcher, to free his mind and searcher, to free his mind and searcher. Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night, at night, day and night.
Alrighty, we're home safe and sound from Kuala Lumpur. We had a crazy time. I told myself I was going to take it easy on this trip. Absolutely did not do that. But if you guys are curious about this parachute that John and I have been jumping, it's called the Gryphus by Exile Base. It's been in development for 4.5 years, and it is the most versatile base canopy on the market right now. It can be taken from the lowest of low cliffs to full terminal and everything in between. And as you can see from this video, it can even back fly better than anything that I've ever seen before. It can fly backwards, completely stable, for as long as you want, just on toggles alone. So that is extremely impressive, and this parachute is just now going on the market. So if you're interested in buying one, if you are a base jumper, qualified base jumper, or a future base jumper, I'll put the link in the description below, and go grab one. Exile Base, sick out here. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.